whatever it takes. ये मोटो नहीं है, मतलब होना चाहिए whatever it takes, बट कुछ लोगों के लिए ये सिर्फ बोलने वाली बात होती है. जब तक आप इसे अपनी लाइफ में अप्लाई नहीं करते तब तक आप ये नहीं बोल सकते whatever it takes is my motto. बट anyway, हम आज रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं whatever it takes by Hot Fix official music video featuring Gaurav Kadu. Now Hot Fix, हमने MC Scam एक गाना था जिसमें तिकड़ी रिकॉर्ड्स में से 5 रैपर, आई गेस 5 या फिर 4 रैपर ने वर्स लिखा था उस MC Scam में, और उनमें से एक रैपर Hot Fix थे. एंड Hot Fix MC Scam में बहुत ही किलर वर्स लिखे थे. एंड आई एम eagerly waiting for him, for his verse, for his lines, for his lyrics, for his flows in this song, whatever it takes. And before we get into this video,
what's up guys, this is me Mukesh and welcome you to Mukesh Network.
let's get into it. Okay? Making no mistakes.
मुझे कोई बन बैठा आप में, मुझसे मुकाबला रहना हिसाब में.
Okay. This is going to be a motivation video. This is going to be a motivation video for the people who want to do things. You know, they're exercising to make themselves fit. Whatever you like, you need to give it your best. You know, अगर आप किसी चीज़ को चाहते हो मन से, तो उस पर ध्यान दो, उस पर और थोड़ा काम करो. Whatever it takes, man.
की भाषा न मेरी किताब में, मेहनत से जीतूंगा मैं ही खिताब. ये I am the beast, ये रखा दिमाग में. मुश्किल भी आए फिर कदमों को चाटने, किस्मत को रोकता मैं मेरे ही हाथ में. खुद का मैं जीनी खुद घिसता चिराग में करता.
खुद का मैं जीनी खुद घिसता चिराग में. You know, मैं ही हूँ जो हूँ. मेरे लाइफ को मैं ही ठीक कर सकता हूँ, कोई और नहीं ठीक कर सकता. सब लोग कहेंगे, लेकिन at the end of the day ये लाइफ मेरी है और इसको चेंज भी मैं ही कर सकता हूँ, for the better or for the worst.
विशेष फुलफिल करके मैं तो हार्ड वर्क. I play to win it, I lose, I learn, it's all worth. इरादे पक्के तेरे तो तुझको है किसने रोका. You know the drill, wake up, कॉस करने से ही होगा. I'm gonna do it now, I'm gonna do it now, I'm gonna do it now, anyhow, anyway. I'm gonna do it now, I'm gonna do it now, I'm gonna do it now, whatever it takes. I'm gonna do it now, I'm gonna do it now, I'm gonna do it now, anyhow, anyway. I'm gonna do it now, I'm gonna do it now, I'm gonna do it now, whatever it takes. एक मौका, एक लाइफ, एक गोल, एक फाइट. Go hard, go साइड. जिंदगी तेरी तो खुद का डिसाइड. You bring it out that you holding inside.
Okay. He's saying that you have one life. You got one life. आप जो 7 जन्म बोलते हैं लोग कि आपके पास 7 जन्म है, 7 जन्म में आप पैदा होंगे. You don't know that. What you know is you have this life. This is the time. You know, कल क्या होगा हमें नहीं पता. So today, you got today. So do it. Start doing it.
वो चोटी वो सदमे वो धोखे जो खाए, उन सबको तू जोड़े जो ताकत बनाए. बहानों को बाए और सपनों पे आए. No plan B, it's do or die. You gotta give it all if you wanna win. You have it all, you have it within. बस फोकस और हकों को कर तू अलाइन. तू जीतेगा हर दिन जो छोड़े ना ग्राइंड. ये रेस ही ऐसी नो फिनिशिंग लाइन. अब तेरी है बारी, अब तेरा है टाइम.
He said ये रेस है ऐसी, no finishing line. You know, you keep working, you keep grinding. There is no finishing line. आप जब मंजिल तक पहुंच जाते हो फिर आप उसको मेंटेन करते हो. मेंटेन करने के लिए भी काम करना पड़ता है. So that's what he's saying. This is a race where there is no finishing line. Hot Fix.
I'm gonna do it now.
These guys are, oh my god.
I'm gonna do it now. Anyhow, anyway. I'm gonna do it now. 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 I'm gonna do it now.
Okay. First of all, I think this is Gaurav Kadu. but and the duo is Fiddlecraft. I don't know, but what is the woman's name, because she is lit. How is she doing this? Oh man, it's really motivating me. And you know I started this year. I started exercising this year, trying to make myself a little fit. That's important. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि this body is a blessing and stuff. And yes, this body is a blessing. So work to keep it safe. Work for your body. This body is a blessing, so you need to work to keep this body toxic free. We eat all kind of a junk and we say this body is a blessing. We eat junk and we get fat and this body is a blessing. How? If you say this body is a blessing, how can you feed it junk? How can you fill this body with junk? Well, this is tough, but you need to work. If you say this body is a blessing, then work for it. Work to keep this body clean. This body deserves it, isn't it? Okay. And I can see Hot Fix with Fitter here. Karne se hoga and wake up. So I think Hot Fix do lot of motivational songs for guys who want to be fit and who want to do something in life. Hot Fix, you're doing the right thing. As I said before, कि म्यूजिशियंस के पास सिर्फ एक म्यूज़िक ही ज़रिया है जिससे वो लोगों को मैसेज दे सकते हैं, मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं, अवेयर कर सकते हैं. एंड हॉट फिक्स इज मोटिवेटिंग पीपल थ्रू हिज म्यूजिक. What am I going to say about this? Because ये गाने हर बार बढ़ते हैं, हर एक नए आर्टिस्ट बनाते हैं मोटिवेट करने के लिए. लोग मोटिवेट होना चाहे तो एक गाने में मोटिवेट हो सकते हैं, अगर नहीं होना चाहे तो उनके लिए 100 गाने लगा दो, नहीं हो सकते हो. सो इट इज़ अप टू यू गाइज. आपके दिल में एक ठान होनी चाहिए. आपको जो करना है करो, लाइफ आपकी है. Yes, that body is a blessing. So do something for that body. That body deserve it. That body doesn't deserve junk food, certainly. Anyway guys, you just keep grinding. Whatever you do in your life, do it with passion. If you're passionate about it, if you're happy while you're doing that thing, then you're doing the right thing. If not, and that is it. Hot Fix, whatever it takes, featuring Gaurav Kadu, featuring Tikdi Records. I think this Kalakar is signed by Tikdi Records. We are going to react to a lot of his songs, and beautiful video. The guy and the woman, they both worked the hell out of everything. Oh man, I loved it. Loved the guts, the muscles. Okay, that is it guys. If you like this video, if you like this song watching with me, you know what to do. See you in the next video. Until then,